Welcome to our latest Wandering Walks of Wonder Museum tour. Today we're headed up to Dearborn, Michigan to a visit to the Henry Ford. It's also known as the Henry Ford Museum of American Innovation and Greenfield Village. This is the second of two parts of a video series that I've done on the Henry Ford. This part deals with airplanes as well as a little bit later on railroads. This is a vast and huge museum complex. There's also videos that I've done on the entire Greenfield Village that you can look at in the playlist of museums or search for Greenfield Village on YouTube. Our first exhibit that we're exploring is about flight in America. Here we can unleash our imagination and embark on a fresh journey into the early era of flight. This museum gives us a great perspective and invites us to delve deeper in the tale of aviation pioneers throughout history. We also can see some of the science and innovation behind flight as we look at some of these exhibits and give us a glimpse into the aircraft that propelled humanity skyward. As we step back in time and witness over 5 decades of flight's evolution, we immerse ourselves in meticulously recreated fuselages of iconic planes like the Boeing 40, the Ford Trimotor, the Douglas DC-3, as well as the Boeing 737. And as we end up the first part here of the video, we'll also see a replicated Wright flyer that will whisk us away to Kitty Hawk and give us a sort of ambience of what the Wright brothers' historic first flight was like.
Do you know if this is the original?
No.
Oh, it's not.
It may be parts. I was reading that, but I thought the original was at the Smithsonian.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but I'm not 100%
Right.
sure.
I was looking. I couldn't see anything to say whether it was a replica or if it was a real one.
Probably down on the side.
I
down
read it,
there.
and
It didn't say. Now, if they had multiple ones, it could have been a real one.
Maybe in case it crashed.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
too easy. They also call it fly by wire.
Me and Lori and Wendy are going to go on the here. This way, baby.
Oh, sorry.
Race is on. The fighter side chat.
The second part of this video looks at railroads in America and the railroad portion of the Henry Ford. This remarkable railroad exhibit showcases an array of streetcars and trains. Among them are some of the most monumental steam locomotives ever constructed. What we're seeing here is the Chesapeake and Ohio Railway that in 1941, when this locomotive was in use, it stretched an impressive 125 feet in length and weighs about 771,000 pounds. Its formidable power allowed it to effortlessly haul 160 coal-laden trains, each of those cars carrying a 60-ton load. And it did this by conquering the rugged terrain of the Allegheny Mountains with ease.
that makes them live forever.
Generations have seen the conflict, and it's kept the rest of one man alive. Even in that.
I hope you've enjoyed this second part of my video on the Henry Ford and taking a look at some of the early airplanes as well as the railroad history in America. Make sure to take a look for other videos that I have on the Henry Ford, including automobiles as well as American history and memorabilia, as well as a series of 3 videos that I have in regards to Greenfield Village, which is part of the museum complex, one of the largest indoor-outdoor complexes in the world. Also, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you on our next Wandering Walks of Wonder Museum tour. Take care now. Bye-bye.